Good medical morning. This is Watson from World's Greatest Medical, and today we're going to check out 5 of my favorite medical oddities of all time. Each more shocking than the last, and don't worry, we'll keep this educational. Hold on to your butts. The first is this dental plaque removal. Next up is a 30-year-old breast implant that is hardened in a calcified capsule. Let's watch this again and I'll let you listen to the sound.
Hard as a rock. Now look at the size of the implant relative to the size of this capsule. Big.
Next up is a tumor creating its own blood supply. This may be my absolute favorite image of the year. We do our best to bring you educational content, and it feels really good when we find something like this. Next up is severe acne scarring, courtesy of Dr. Davin Lim. He's treating the hypertrophic scars with a laser. If you get a chance, look up Davin on YouTube. He's a personal favorite.
So I'm using a fractionated laser, CO2, to get through this because all the energy devices, including microneedling, will not go through these.
And although not really an oddity, my favorite is this little guy's last day of chemo. Cancer treatment is no joke, and I personally want to click like for him and his recovery. We've all seen the effects of cancer, and we wish him the best. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell for notifications. We'll see you next time.
Hi you guys, my name is Gabby and I'm here to do my testimonial on Thynergy. Thynergy has given me way more energy than I had in recent months. It's helped me lose about 20 pounds and I'm really happy with my current body and thin form that I have. So please check the link below, recommends Thynergy, and I think it'll work for you.